Welcome to our channel Mootechie. This is our starting point, a warm welcome as we begin our exploration together. Discovery of microorganisms, an illustrated journey from first sightings to modern microbiology. This sets the stage for our topic, a visual and historical tour through the groundbreaking discovery of the microbial world. Concept of microorganisms. Microorganisms are microscopic living entities invisible to the naked eye. This fundamental definition reminds us that an entire world of life exists beyond our direct vision. The group includes bacteria, archaea, protists, fungi, algae, and viruses, representing an incredible diversity of life forms. Their structure ranges from micrometer to nanometer scale, existing in unicellular or even acellular forms like viruses. They are ubiquitous, with habitats found in soil, water, air, living hosts, and extreme environments, proving their incredible adaptability. They play critical roles in decomposition, nutrient cycles, symbiosis, and pathogenesis, meaning they are essential for life on Earth and can also cause disease. Discovery timeline. Key breakthroughs. Here are the major milestones in the history of microbiology. In 1665, Robert Hooke publishes Micrographia and coins the term cell, laying a cornerstone for all of biology. Between 1674 and 1683, Antonie van Leeuwenhoek observes animalcules, which were actually bacteria, providing the first direct look at microbial life. From 1838 to 1839, the cell theory is formulated by Schleiden and Schwann, establishing that all living things are composed of cells. Between 1857 and 1864, Louis Pasteur disproved spontaneous generation through his famous experiments, proving life comes from pre-existing life. Finally, from 1876 to 1884, Robert Koch isolates specific pathogens and establishes Koch's postulates, the standard method for proving a microbe causes a disease. Life before the discovery of microbes. To appreciate these discoveries, we must understand what came before. Early theories relied on the miasma theory, humorism, and a belief in spontaneous generation. Disease was often attributed to bad air, divine wrath, or imbalanced humors rather than invisible germs. Medicine featured minimal asepsis or cleanliness, relied on empirical remedies, and suffered from high mortality rates because the true cause of infection was unknown. Processes like food spoilage, fermentation, and putrefaction remained unexplained mysteries. Science faced a significant technology gap, lacking powerful compound microscopes and a true model for how germs could cause change. Early scientists and their roles. Several key figures paved the way. Robert Hooke advanced microscopy and coined the term cell in his book Micrographia, fundamentally changing how we view biological structures. Louis Pasteur pioneered work in fermentation, pasteurization, and vaccination, applying microbial science to save lives and improve industry. Robert Koch developed pure culture methods and established the criteria for pathogen causality, giving us a reliable way to link microbes to disease. Joseph Lister revolutionized surgery with antiseptic methods using carbolic acid, drastically reducing post-surgical infections. Ferdinand Kohn classified bacteria by their shapes and discovered resistant endospores, revealing how some bacteria can survive extreme conditions. First microscopic observations. The journey began with ingenious tools. Scientists like Leeuwenhoek utilized hand-ground, single-lens microscopes, achieving magnifications of about 200 to 300 times. They were the first to observe bacteria, protozoa, spermatozoa, and blood cells, opening a new window into biology. Samples were collected from diverse sources like pond water, dental plaque, and rainwater, showing microbes were everywhere. Detailed letters sent to the Royal Society contained meticulous drawings and notes, sharing these wonders with the scientific community. This work collectively revealed a hidden microbial world that had been completely invisible to human sight for all of history. Impact of microbial discovery on science. The discovery of microbes transformed countless fields. In medicine, it provided the foundation of the germ theory of disease, led to life-saving vaccines, allowed for surgical antisepsis, and brought about the discovery of antibiotics like penicillin. In biology, it expanded the scope of cell theory, gave us insights into evolutionary biology, established the field of microbial ecology, and led to the emergence of virology as a discipline. For industry, it enabled controlled fermentation for products like beer and cheese, created large-scale bioprocessing techniques, allowed production of industrial enzymes, and aided the development of biofuels. In the environment, it was key to understanding biogeochemical cycles, enabled bioremediation of pollutants, clarified microbes' role in climate regulation, and explained processes like soil health and nitrogen fixation. For modern technology, it underpins gene editing via CRISPR-Cas systems, enables advanced metagenomics analysis, fuels innovations in synthetic biology, and drives continuous biotechnology breakthroughs. Thank you. Questions? Connect with Mootechie. That brings us to the end of our illustrated journey. We've seen how the discovery of these tiny beings changed everything. Thank you for your curiosity and for joining this exploration of our invisible allies and adversaries. We hope to connect with you soon.